Healing doesn't start with purpose. It begins with survival. Welcome to Neuronest Yoga. We're here for people navigating grief, trauma, chronic stress, burnout, and life-altering transitions. We're for the people doing the brave work of just staying alive while trying to find their way forward. This space is for survivors. It's for caregivers. It's for neurodivergent and highly sensitive minds. It's for anyone who is rebuilding after loss, without being rushed, without being fixed, and without spiritual bypassing. Our work follows a simple, three-part, science-based system. Part 1 is all about survival. We teach you exactly what's happening in your nervous system when life feels overwhelming. We'll explore how trauma, grief, and stress actually impact your brain, your breath, and your body. This is where we start to rebuild safety, stabilization, and that essential self-trust. Part 2 is rebuilding the path. Once you start to feel more regulated, we guide you in reshaping your identity, finding new meaning, and discovering your direction forward. We do this using evidence-based education, trauma-informed movement, and reflective practices that support real growth without any pressure. You get to move at your own pace. Part 3 is purposeful service. See, we believe healing doesn't just end with the self. We teach you how to serve others without abandoning your own needs. We focus on cultivating community, contribution, and purpose in ways that are sustainable, ethical, and always grounded in your nervous system's health. Everything we share here is rooted in neuroscience, psychology, and embodied learning. We translate complex science into real-world tools that you can actually use every single day. This isn't about becoming some brand new person. It's about surviving, rebuilding, and serving, all with clarity, compassion, and choice. Welcome to Neuronest Yoga. This is where science guides healing, and where life begins to unfold forward again. We are so glad you're here. Subscribe to join our community and start your journey with us.